Good Saturday evening to each and every one of you out there. We're powering up the Eric Techstuffs channel in a little bit of a news break at 7:01. It's Saturday, 9/9, so that's September 9th of 2023. Right there, we got it. I received a package from a very good new friend of mine, your friend and mine, 018 Bevis, the DonkeyStomper. I was a member of the channel on YouTube, and I received a membership giveaway package. And man, oh man, if you are a membership member already, you already know what I have here. If not, my goodness. I was a member for about a month, and I received something tenfold than that. It is awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox this real quick, but I have a very important announcement about DonkeyStomper and the DonkeyStomper YouTube channel, so I want to make sure you get that real quick. Give me a minute, please. Oh boy, I'm beating against the clock here because YouTube takes forever to process a video, but we're going to open up this package for DonkeyStompers. And I want to tell you real quick, I did this real quick, but you're going to definitely want to tune in the video in less than an hour or so. It's going live 8 o'clock, and that's at YouTube, DonkeyStomper Products. Going over to Patreon, also the same, DonkeyStomper Products. And at the price list at the moment, it is $3 a month for a driver membership, $5 a month for a hammer membership, $25 a month for a big mall. But again, please see Patreon for membership level benefits. And that's 018 Bevis and DonkeyStomper. So I do appreciate this package, sir, and we're going to go ahead and open this real quick now. And yes, this was all sent to me for free, and he paid all the shipping and everything. All I was a YouTube membership, and he drew me in the product drawing. So what we got is actually really cool. Really, really cool. It's two of his RG213 jumpers, heavy duty, all set up. Very nice. Tuned to 28, and this is awesome. And on top of this, we had a capacitor sent to us, and they actually sell this right now on RF Parts for $12.95 plus shipping. He's not sure if it's good, but they sell them exactly in the same package. So these jumpers sell for $100. And this sells for about $12.95 plus shipping at RF Parts. So, yeah, this is an amazing membership. But like I said, it's all part of DonkeyStomper Products, YouTube, Patreon. Please join the Patreon. The membership should be going away. He'll talk about that in the video. These are some of the price lists right now. Please see the benefits on Patreon for your membership. From 018 Bevis, the DonkeyStomper. I do appreciate you sending this stuff off to me, paying everything for being a member, just to learn from you. Thank you so much, Mr. DonkeyStomper. 018 Bevis, 1200 South Carolina, with that wave.